So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete credit card from eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com. Through there, log into your account. You can see then hi and your first name. You can see account settings and sign out. You can also see my eBay, so you can find something on here if you wish to. So through here, go to account settings. On there, you can see personal info, selling, donation preferences, account preferences, and payment information. So you can click on payments right here. Once you've clicked on this, you can see add a checkout method, add credit or debit card. And once you do add a credit or debit card, it's going to pop up on here and it's going to look pretty much similarly how you see your payment methods on other sites and maybe in your wallet on your phone. Through here, click the card. It's gonna pop up something similar to this, and through there you just need to click on remove or delete. On there, it's gonna just ask you if you're sure, and maybe it'll be a problem if you don't have any other payment method and you try to use it. You'll need to manually add a card back in, but I suggest you add it through here. So the process is pretty simple. Go to cards and accounts, and through there click on remove or delete depending which version of the site you're using, and after that just confirm your decision to remove that payment method from your payment settings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.